Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best swivel chairs for living rooms in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is CHITA Power Recliner Swivel Glider for living room. This chair is a reclining and gliding chair designed with mom's comfort in mind. But just on unboxing this chair, we could tell this is not the average nursery chair. We noticed that it quietly and smoothly swivels up to 270 degrees, glides, and reclines, all with the push of a button. The recliner reclines between 90 to 135 degrees to cover all the different postures you might need. Besides the reclining feature, it also comes with an extending footrest that allows you to fully stretch and relax, which makes it perfect for reading or watching TV while you sleep. From research, we discovered that it has a patented Leggett and Amp plat mechanism that has passed the 25,000 cycle life test with a weight limit of 350 pounds. This information was quite reassuring to have as we were purchasing this chair. You might not see it, but sitting on it, you could tell the difference. It also has bonus features such as built-in USB charging ports, which come in handy when you need to charge your devices while sitting, so you won't have to move to charge them elsewhere. Now you can comfortably continue reading from your device even when it runs low on charge. We were also happy to learn how simple the assembly is. Just slide the back part into the rest of the seat, and you're all set. Number 2. Our second best pick is JOYBASE Lounge Swivel Accent Chair. On unboxing this chair, we first noticed the rich premium quality velvet fabric upholstery with button tufting and zigzag stitching. This screams luxury, making this a great stylish way to elevate your space and make it more inviting. It also works well if you have a small living room. Besides the living room, it has a contemporary mid-century design that makes it ideal for your lounge area, office, nursery, bedroom, library, or reading nook. In addition to the premium quality upholstery, we noticed that it has an extra comfy thick cushion with a barrel-style back. We experienced so much support and comfort from the matching Ottoman that was well filled with foam on a supportive structure. Our research found that this swivel chair features a sturdy metallic 360-degree swivel design that can optimally support 250 pounds of weight. In addition, it has non-slip protective pads on its feet, which meant we could move it to whatever part of the house and rotate it without scratching the floors. On the downside, it doesn't come pre-assembled, so it will need some level of assembling. However, the setup was easy to finish and did not take us long. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rosevera Hearst Swivel Accent Chair. This swivel chair comes in the form of a round, extra comfy barrel chair. It has the perfect silhouette that we easily noticed since it's built to provide back support by staying snug against your lumbar region. The armrests are also at the perfect height. The rolls of the polyester upholstery along its well-defined edges further outline the silhouette of this barrel chair in a way that we found so appealing. Additionally, this elegant piece also comes with a matching throw pillow for extra support along your entire body in its grandeur appearance. We were pleased to learn that the swivel rotating base is constructed using industrial-grade metal ball bearings for sturdy, smooth, and silent rotations. This feature also allows the barrel chair to turn in whatever direction you need as you watch TV or work. The ball bearings also help ensure longevity and durability. This also works perfectly well for small spaces, living rooms, bedrooms, and libraries. We know that assembling furniture can be a hassle, especially with abstruse instructions. So imagine how delighted we were to realize this elegant piece doesn't require any assembling. All we needed to do was unpack the chair and start using it within a few minutes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Setawix Modern and Cozy Swivel Barrel and Club Chair. This swivel chair is both a barrel chair and a club chair. This is an elegant swivel chair that comes with 4 different colored cushions for extra support of your back and arms. One of the first things we noticed about this stylishly cool chair is its premium quality chenille fabric that's extra soft and smooth. In addition, it has an ergonomically curved backrest that's a well-padded seat to create an effortlessly comfortable seat for support and the right posture. As a modern accent swivel chair, it was interesting to learn that it has a firm 360-degree swivel base on a plywood frame. The strong support structure assured us that this oversized chair could freely rotate without toppling over because of its size or shape, no matter who was sitting on it. This accent chair has a great aesthetic that blends quite well with different spaces and interior designs. This means that it can be used in different occasions and spaces, especially small ones. For instance, this would be a great option instead of having a regular armchair in your study. Additionally, it'd be great for your bedroom, hotel lounge, and reception area. We thought it also makes a great cuddle chair. Unfortunately, it needs some assembly, but we were also pleased with how easy it was to assemble. The user manual included in the package also came in handy with that. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is BFZ Swivel Barrel Chair. This swivel chair takes a barrel silhouette that's clearly designed for lounging. This elegant swivel chair comes in a soft velvet skin-friendly fabric made from lamb wool for extra comfort and luxury. From our research, it has a sturdy metallic 360 degrees rotation swivel base and a durable hardwood frame. The shape, sturdy metal base, and wooden frame combo give this chair the capacity to hold a maximum weight of 380 pounds. The barrel silhouette is in a swiveling construction, offering convenience and mobility while you lounge. Besides a soft padded seat, it has an ergonomically curved back to offer more comfort. These two features offer a surprisingly great sitting experience, perfect for the reading nook. Additionally, the simple yet elegant round shape of this swivel chair just proves that round swivel chairs are the answer to attaining the perfect balance between function and luxury style. This accent chair is a unique decor addition with an aesthetic suited for various occasions and interior design spaces. This would work well for your library, hotel lounge, bedroom, nursery, and office. We were happy to learn that it comes pre-assembled, so it doesn't require any assembly. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.